I'm Dr. Deukmedjian, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from Mississippi. He had a big disc herniation at C6-7, and his left arm was going numb and weak, problems with it. How long did you have problems with your herniated disc?
Over 2 years.
We did the Deuk laser disc repair, which is our version of laser spine surgery here at Deuk Spine Institute. Did everything through a 4mm incision. How do you feel after your Deuk laser disc repair?
I feel amazing. I have the feeling back into my arm where spots that was numb. I can never open doors without arm failing because I couldn't use my tricep very well. I can turn and move my head in ways that I couldn't before that didn't cause excruciating pain.
So you're happy?
Very happy.
What are you going to tell everybody back home in Mississippi?
There's magic going on down here. This is worth the wait, worth the time, worth the effort versus everything else. Previously, they wanted me to do a ACDF fusion, and every time I look at that and every time I think about that, I think of how bad that was going to be. I feel like I could go back to work right now, and I like to call it dangerously good. Like, I feel so good that I may have to remember that, I just had surgery.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Yeah. Now, what was life like for you at home before you came here to get your neck fixed?
Pretty terrible. I like to say that my neck pain was interfering with what I like to call the 3 S's: sitting, sleeping, standing, which is pretty much everything. I would spend a lot of time laying in bed, using an ice pack, using that little thing that you put to put tension on the pressure points in your back, your neck, and arm, hoping that would help, knowing it would not, just to do anything, any position that might be comfortable.
How did you find Deuk Spine Institute?
I've been looking for many years for something that was not a fusion and not invasive surgery, and I finally came across your Deuk Spine Institute information, which is what I've been waiting for to find over the many years. I've had problems with my lower back since my 20s. I wasn't able to get that fixed here today. I hope to come back and get that done.
We're going to fix that for you. So did we have to shave any of your beard off for your surgery?
We did not.
That's right. We kept your beard for you. Show the audience your incision underneath there. So tiny little 4mm cut, no bleeding, no swelling, no problem. Back to normal today, doing awesome. How was your Zoom call with Deuk Spine Institute? Is there anything you want to tell your fans out there?
Just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and look in. If you need to look a little further, go ahead and do the MRI review, and then that's going to give you the information you need. Because if you're like me and you've done all the scans, you went to all the pain clinics, you went to all the PT, hoping that some magic would happen in PT, it gets a little bit better, then you aggravate it because you sat down wrong one day and made it worse over something simple. This is it. This is where it's at.
Well, thank you for sharing your story with our audience, and I hope that we can fix everyone's spines just like we fixed yours.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.